today I have this Galaxy Buds 2, which I'm going to do unboxing and first impression on how this look and what are the content that comes along with this Galaxy Buds 2, and share with you the fit test on my ear and give you my thoughts of this Galaxy Buds 2 as a consumer. And I'm going to give you my honest first thoughts, first impression and mini review. So Galaxy Buds 2. Alright, let's do the unboxing of this Galaxy Buds 2, the olive green edition. Let me grab my scissors. Here you go. So the main device with the case is here. Let's put that aside. Let's see what else does it comes in. So I believe this is the USB Type-C cable, and that's all. So there's only two items inside the box: the case and the buds together. And I believe this is the ear tips plus the USB Type-C cable. So let me open up the main device. On a first look, it looks very polished, very glossy kind of a look and finish to the case, and it's very squarish compared to the previous version. It was like more a capsule kind of a design, which I actually didn't like it at all. So this is actually quite compact and should be able to carry around easily. So let's open up this box, the shell. So you can see here what I have in my hand is the olive green. It looks very good, it's very nice, the color. So on the boxing itself, I think this is showing a green LED light. If you can see, the light is on, so meaning to say the earbuds are fully charged. So that's quite interesting. They have already fully charged the case, and I believe the earbuds are fully charged as well. So there's the inner look of this shell, and inside is a matte finish. It's a kind of a rubbery texture to have a proper closure. So let me take out the earbuds from the shell. So this is the right side. It looks like a candy and feels like a candy as well. So let me put one side. This is the right bud, and let's look around this case. So behind is the Type-C USB port where you charge the case, and this case is able to charge wirelessly as well. The LED light is on the front of the case, so you will have a quick view of your case. And inner side we have another LED light, and let me put in this earbuds back and see how does it behave. It's quite straightforward. The magnetic case pulls in the earbuds perfectly without any issue, and LED light red color is indicated. That means it's charging these earbuds. So the light on the case outside as well, you can see. Okay, that's how it looks. Very simple, very nice design, and I really like the design and the look of the buds and the case. So what you get inside your Galaxy Buds 2? So right in front of you we have the Type-C cable, we have the small ear tip, the large ear tip, and of course we have this device, the main unit, the Buds 2 with the charging carry case. So it's straightforward packaging by Samsung. I salute to them for their minimal thoughts. So now let me do a fit test and show you around my ear how does it look. Hey guys, now let's do the connection of the Galaxy Buds 2 to the Samsung device that I have in front of me. So I'm going to connect my Galaxy A52 with the Buds 2. So let me do a connection. So by turning on, opening up the case, it should auto connect. So let me open up the case right now. You can see my Galaxy Buds 2, 100% fully charged, case is 23%. So let me open up the wearable application to see the Buds settings. So under the wearable application, you can see as Galaxy Buds 2, and we have the noise controls, active noise cancelling, off ambient sound, and then we have the 4 other settings: touch controls, tap, touch and hold to be turned on, earbuds settings, find my earbuds, tips and user manual. So now let's explore the earbud settings. So under the earbuds settings, we have these are the options that we have: equalizer, read notification allowed, Bixby voice wake up, seamless earbud connection, earbud fit test, use ambient sound during calls, labs, reset and accessibility. And finally we have the earbud software update and about earbuds. So about earbuds, and the latest version of software, the firmware which has been installed is R177XXUADUH2. Talking about the application, about the earbud settings, we have a new feature, new settings which allow you to do the earbud fit test. So let me do a fit test and see what is the software trying to say. So let me take out the buds. So you can see here it indicates as not in the ear. So by putting it inside my ear, it should start the fit test. So right ear in, left ear in. So you can see it's indicated as in the ear. So let me do a test. Checking. We can see here it says as good fit, which I'm happy. So let me show you on the outer look, how does it look inside my ear. Just now you have seen the fit test. Right now I'm going to put the earbuds inside my ear so you can see the outer look, how does it look in my ear. So the right bud, so how does it look on the right side, and I'm going to put the left. So that's how it look, guys. Let me come closer. So this is my right ear, right buds, and the left buds. So how does it look like? Is it good? I really feel very comfortable. It doesn't give you the extra weight, you know, like protruding out like some brand of earbuds. They are protruding out and it's like a weight that pulls down your ear. So I don't find it in these earbuds, and it's very light. So that's what I need and I'm looking forward in any earbuds. So I think Samsung on the first impression fulfills the so-called weight portion. So it doesn't give you the extra weight, and they do not have a so-called funny kind of a design. So it follows your ear curvature. It's a welcoming design in their so-called this generation of buds. So hats off to Samsung. I'm very happy about the purchase that I made. Let me do a vigorous head shake test, see whether the earbuds are capable of failing out. wow, it didn't even fell off or anything. It's very good. I really love the so-called the way it handles on my both here. So this is a perfect headset. Let me play a so-called music. My preference is a bass boost song, so I've enabled the equalizer to bass boost, and let me test out the song right now and share with you how is the bass like. I have no words on this headset. The bass is perfect. It's what I expected. The bass is powerful and cool. Now let me turn on the ANC, active noise cancellation, to see whether any kind of external sounds are being blocked. So you can see on the application, you can see three options there. One is turn off, and the right side is the ANC, active noise cancellation, and the third one is the ambient sound. So let me try the active noise cancellation. Okay, on my first impression on the ANC, it's not that fantastic compared to other brands, mainly Sony. It's just a mid-range ANC. That's something that I have to feedback. It doesn't fully cover the external noise. I'm still able to hear some noises here and there. For example, the aircon is on top of me, and I'm still hearing some kind of air kind of a noise coming in. Okay guys, this is my first impression and thoughts on the earbuds. So these budget earbuds from Samsung is definitely going to be a hit. I'm sure many of them would be looking for a budget headset, a branded headset, and I personally feel this is what you need to get. It's a good to go. So I wouldn't say this is 100% perfect, because the IPX rating is not there, just like a Buds Pro or Buds Live. So do not use this for running and exercise, because the IP rating is comparatively low, and that's what I got to understand from other reviewer online. If you like this video, the first impression, my first thought, my mini review in a nutshell about Galaxy Buds 2, do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it out with your friends and family members. Bye guys.